Good evening, good morning, good night, good day. How you doing, guys? Whatever time it is that you're seeing this video, I hope it's a good day. Happy 4th. I hope you guys enjoyed the 4th of July and hope the festivities were grand for you. Hope you got to spend all the time you wanted with friends and family and your significant others or whatever have you. I hope you had a great day. I had a pretty good day. But yeah, let's move forward. Today is a new day, and today is the day that I put up my official entry for Woody Scale Model Garage Rock and Roll on Wheels Group Build Entry 2026. Here's a photo of that right quick. No, not this one. Not that photo. This photo is of me in the parking lot at Walmart the other day. That's on wheels, but it's not a group build entry. Let's just get that straight. And I wasn't getting a little too crazy either. So, but anyhow, this is the picture that you'll see on Dave's what's it called? His official kickoff video. But yeah, this is my official entry video, and let me turn you around at the bench, and I'll show you what I got for my entry. Hang on just a sec. Here we are back at the bench. Let me drop you down, and we'll get looking and see what I got for the entry for Dave's group build video. Rock and Roll on Wheels Group Build 2026. Hang on a minute. Let me stop this right quick. Show you what I got going on here. Of course, you could probably already tell right now what it's going to be. But yeah, the song I picked is this song right here out of this particular movie. He didn't say it had to be a movie, but he did say it had to be a song with a car in it. Let me get you over to the... This is probably one of my favorite movies. This movie right here, it's like in my my top 10 list of favorite movies. It probably, I'm not gonna put a number on it. A lot of people, when they put, top 10s, they list them in chronological or whichever order they like it, but I'm not gonna do that. It's just one of my top 10 favorite movies. And here are the lyrics to the song that I'm choosing. As you can tell, it's already greased lightning. Not sure if all you guys out there know what the lyrics are to this song, but here they are. Just in case you don't know, there we go. And that's not the version of the car I'm building. That's that's at the final, like the very end of the movie. Well, this was while they were building it in the movie, but at the very end of the movie, when they're coming out of the carnival, this is the car they get in. That's not the one I'm building. The one I'm building is this one here. It's the Revell Grease Lightning 48 Ford. Hang on, let me put that there we go. Yeah, it's the 1/25th scale Revell Grease Lightning 48 Ford. Where is the part number on this thing? Let's see the part number. As you guys can tell, it's an open kit. I bought it like this from a club member. Or was it? What is a club member? I don't know. But there's the part number, 854443. Let me back the camera up and show you guys, or pick it up just a little bit so you can tell what's in the box. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. There we are. Yeah, here's the decals. Hopefully you can see that. Got the seats in there, and you got the lightning bolts, and got all the gauges, and got the license plate. Let me just take it out of the bag. That way you guys can see it. All right, here we go. Let's yeah, there we go. That's a little better. Yeah, see there? Got all the gauges for it. Great decals. Great decals. And I mean, this being an older kit, the decals are in great shape. I think this was put out in it's probably reissued in 2018, but this is my issue of it. As you guys can tell, it's still in the bag. We got all the clear and red parts trees there. Everything else is still in the bag. It's a bagged and boxed kit, so everything is here. You guys can tell I'll be starting from scratch on this one. Well, not from scratch, but I mean, everything looks to be in pretty decent shape. The wheels. Got some more wheels. Then we got the chrome tree. And here's the constructions. I love that Revell started doing this. That's pretty cool. It's like a pretty straightforward kit, just like any other Revells out there. Pretty dang cool, I think. And then they got the, of course, you know, this kit has options when they made this kit. They use it for different purposes. So yeah, there's always going to be an option in there. But that's not what we're going with. We're going to use this here right. We're going to use this version right here. We're going to do the decal placement. I'm probably not going to do the gouge in the side where him and Crater Face were drag racing through the LA Canal. Or LA River, I guess. I'm not going to put that in there. I'm going to do it like they first presented it. But anyhow, guys, there's my Woody Scale Modded Garage Rock and Roll Group Build Entry 2026. I'm not going to take all the parts trees out of the box. You guys have seen parts trees before. You don't need me to show them to you. But yeah, there's my entry. Dave, man, I appreciate you putting this on. This will be the first group build ever on YouTube that I have became a part of. And I'm pretty excited about it because I've been wanting to get this kit for a long, long time. It's going to be cool. I'm going to try to build it up as close to the actual film version as possible. And in doing so, if you want to do that to the film version, you go with this song lyrics right here. According to the lyrics, it's got to have overhead lifters, 4-barrel quads. Probably supposed to be carbs. I don't know. Yeah, 4-barrel quads, carbs, whatever it's called. Fuel injection cutoff. Yeah, see, you got to, I don't know, man. Whoever wrote that song didn't really know much about engines, I guess. Unless they cut off the fuel injection to put in the 4-barrel quads. I don't know. But it's pretty cool. We're burning up the 1/4 mile. That's awesome. There's really not a whole lot of description in the song. I mean, it's got, you know, the quads and injection, and then they got purple French taillights. Yeah, I don't see that in the version I'm building. Palomino dashboard. I don't know what the heck a Palomino dashboard is. Dual muffler twins. Oh yeah, okay. New pistons, plugs, and shocks. Pretty cool. So yeah, there we go, guys. That's my entry for Woody's Rock and Roll Group Build. Anyhow, guys, that's what I got. Hopefully you guys like it, and stay tuned for all the updates, and we will catch you guys on the next one. And remember, be happy in your hobby, guys. Don't let it become a burden. Don't let it become something that you have to do. This is a hobby. You're supposed to have fun with it. So yeah, be happy in your hobby, and keep the stash growing and air brush blowing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Now, if I can get this thing stopped. See, which way will it go? Right there. There we are. Cool. Yeah. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Later.